Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about perceptive verbs again. This topic, it's really important and we have to repeat it and review it several times because perceptive verbs are um, perceptive is a structure that is used for some verbs and it's really necessary to study it and to practice it quite a lot of times to finally nail it. It's not that easy. So perceptive verbs, we have like about between 10 or 15 of them, but for now, the most important thing is that you work with maybe one or two, yeah, and later you're gonna use the other ones. But the most important thing is that you learn how to use the perceptive structure, that you can nail it, and then you can use the rest of the verbs. So for now, we're gonna stick to gusta, I like, and gustar, I like, and encantar is when I love things. Yeah, now, so let's remember what this perceptive structure is. So this is the perceptive structure here. Yeah, we said that we use this a mí me, right? A ti te. Um, we also, for third person, we use a él le, a ella le, a usted le. So we use the same le for the three of them. A nosotros, nos, a vosotros, os, a ellos, les, third person plural, a ellas, les, and a ustedes, les. So this is our perceptive structure. So once we know this, yeah, uh, we are going to practice it with some verbs. So the first one we are going to practice is gustar. Now, remember, if you want to make it negative, right after the personal pronouns, you're going to put the no. In this case, the personal pronouns are these ones. A mí no me gusta, ¿ya? O a ti no te gusta. A ella no le gusta. A nosotros no nos gusta, and so on. Good. Now, let's have a look at this part here. So this is the perceptive structure. This is great. This is good. But now let's concentrate about the verb that you're going to put afterwards. So in this case, we're going to talk about the verb gustar. So gustar is to like. We are going to study this in present tense and past tense today. So you're going to learn how to say I liked it. So this verb, yeah, is going to be conjugated according to the thing you are referring to. Example, if what you like is, I don't know, let's say bananas. You like bananas, right? So because bananas is plural, right? We are going to use me gustan. And we talk about this N that represents the plural. So a mí me gustan las bananas. And we also said that we are going to put the article always when we like things. So a mí me gustan las bananas. Good. But if I just like one banana, let's say the banana, just this one, la banana. So we're going to say, a mí me gusta la banana without the N. So first was gustan for plural, and then afterwards we just say gusta because it's singular. Good. So you see, gusta, the verb gustar is changing. Gusta if it's singular, gustan if it's plural. But what if I want to say I like you? So if I want to say I like you, I'm talking about you, second person. Therefore, the verb gustar is going to be conjugated for the second person. Gustas. So if I want to say I like you, you say a mí me gustas. Or just me gustas. That's it. That's how you say I like you. Yeah. That was just for present tense. So um, if you want to say, I like you guys, So the verb gustar is going to be conjugated for you guys. It depends. It could be vosotros or for or ustedes. Let's do for ustedes, Latin America. So gustan. So a mí me gustan ustedes. Yeah, that's how you conjugate it. Now, that's just present tense. If we do past tense, these are the verbs we're going to use. Okay? It's exactly the same thing, but we're going to conjugate the verb gustar in past simple or in the past tense to be more like general, in past tense. So if I want to say, let's start with I like the banana, and I like the bananas. Yeah. So let's start with I liked the banana. Let's say I ate a banana and I liked it. So okay, in past tense that would be a mí me gustó la banana. That would be it. A mí me gustó la banana. But if I ate two bananas and I liked them, I'm going to use a mí me gustaron las bananas. So you can see now that gusto is for singular and gustaron is for plural. So here is not just to add the n, it's completely different. It's not gusto and gustaron is two words completely different. You just don't add the n here. So that's how you say in past tense. Let's say pizza. I liked the pizza I ate yesterday. Let's not I liked. Let's say she liked it. A ella le gustó la pizza. Yeah. And oh, they liked the pizzas. Let's say there are many pizzas. So a ellos les gustaron las pizzas because it's many pizzas. Good. Now, if I want to say I liked you before I liked you, but not anymore, let's say I liked you. A mí me gustaste, or simply me gustaste. I liked you. So you can see now how perceptive verbs, like the perceptive structure plus how to put the verb here, is kind of tricky, but the most important thing is that first of all you nail the structure, what is on the left, this here, and also that you start being aware of how to conjugate the verb, yeah, according of the tense, if it's present or if it's past tense, and according also to the things you're referring to, if it's singular, if it's plural, so singular past tense, plural past tense. So yeah, that's pretty much like what we wanted to see here. Let's have a look at some examples. Me gustó comer en el restaurante. So I liked eating at the restaurant. Nice sentence. A él le gustaron los camarones. He loved the prawns. Awesome. Now let's put two verbs here. A mí me tiene que gustar la comida. I have to like the food. Well, that's kind of crazy. So, simple plus perceptive. Simple is tiene que, and a mí me tiene que gustar because it's perceptive. So, yeah, nice example and also advanced. A nosotros no nos tiene que molestar esta situación. Simple, we have here, tiene que. Perceptive, because it's a nosotros nos molesta. So, the combination of both will be a nosotros no nos tiene que molestar esta situación. We don't have to be bothered by this situation. So, yeah, let's have a look at other verb. Uh, to love, or to love but things, not to love people. Remember, to love people is amar, but it's when you love things, when you love the food, when you love the apartment. So we are going to use the verb encantar. Yeah. So encantar is a verb that we use with the perceptive structure, and also it's going to be conjugated according to the things or the thing you're referring to, the thing you love, or if it's the things you love, if it's plural. Uh, so, or if it's in the past tense. So let's have a look at this one. It's pretty much the same thing we did before, but it's with a different verb. So, perceptive structure, you already know about this, you already know it by heart, a mí me, a ti te, a él le, a nosotros nos, and so on. And here we have the verb encantar. So for present tense, we are going to use encanta or encantan if it's plural. If I want to say I love you, not you as like feelings, but I love how you are, kind of. You can say a mí me encantas. Me encantas. It's like I like you so much. Um, and if we want to do past tense, that would be a mí me encantó o a mí me encantaron. Yeah. So let's have a look at these examples pretty quick. Me encantó conocer a tu hermana. Nice. I loved meeting your sister. Nice. A ella le encantaron tus vestidos. She loved your dresses. That will be, the two examples we have here. I'm not gonna. I mean, this is pretty much the same thing. The only difference is that here we're using a different verb, and that will be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And one more thing. To practice this easy, we are going to, well, first of all, practice our flashcards and Quizlet. Do the writing exercises if that helps you learning, and we are going to have talk with somebody and tell him or tell her everything you liked and didn't like of a place. So think about it. It could be one of your trips, it could be any place, but you can also talk about not a place, maybe a situation or even a person. I don't know, and a concert, a moment. Yeah, so you can talk about everything about you liked and you didn't like, past tense. Okay, if you want to be bold, if you like a person, tell the person me gustas. That'll be good. Have fun. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.